Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump getting looks tonight at how the general election landscape may be shaping up in the all-important swing states. New Fox polls out tonight. Clinton leading Donald Trump in Virginia and Colorado. Out west in Colorado, Clinton's advantage is 10 points, 44 to 34. In Virginia, Clinton leads by 7. 44 to 37. However, a new Quinnipiac poll also out today has Trump up 42 to 39% in Florida, an 11-point swing from just 3 weeks ago. Ohio remains deadlocked with each candidate getting 41%, and Trump leads Clinton in Pennsylvania 43 to 41%.